Hi guys, Debbie Pitts Palmer here, DPP coming to you live. Well, I have a new cat and I want to introduce him to you. You guys know I have a dog. I think most of you know I have a dog, but now I have a new cat. I cannot wait for you guys to see him. It's a he. It's a he. It's a he. Here he is. This is my new cat. I got the cat in the box. And you know what? He smells so good. I can smell him from a distance. I don't even have to have him out of the box and I already smell him. He smells the best. So how many of you guys are familiar with Alice in Wonderland or Cheshire Cat? How many of you guys? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Well, here he is. And he smells so good. But look at that big smile. He has the biggest smile. It goes from one side to the other. It's the cutest cat ever. This is my cat. I don't have to feed him, but he's my cat. But the best thing about my cat is that he smells so good. Let's see. He's a Scentsy buddy. Just in case you guys don't know what this is a Scentsy buddy. And Cheshire Cat just came out, and you're just gonna have to get you one. This is a social butterflies cat. I want to take the Scent Pak out of the inside of the buddy, okay? This scent smells so amazing, and it's called We're All Mad Here. There it is right there. He has his own signature fragrance. That makes him really bad, right? He has his own signature fragrance, and he smells so good. I can smell it from a distance. This is the first time I've been able to smell one from a distance, but it smells so good. And there's fragrance beads on the inside of this little sachet, and it actually brings it to life. When you insert the scent inside of the buddy, it brings it to life. How you know it's a Scentsy product? You can tell by this right here. All of our Scentsy buddies have a little star on the back. And these are not sold in stores, guys. You have to totally call me when you get ready to get one of these, but don't wait, because I promise you it will sell out really fast. But look at the tail. Look at his tail. It is so soft. You're gonna have to touch the tail. Looks like a tie, but it's so cute. Isn't he cute? Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to take a selfie with Cheshire when this video is over. I'm gonna have to take a selfie with him because he's like so incredible. But it's so hard to say no to a smile. But look at that smile. That's a really big smile, okay? That's a smile. That lets you know he's really happy. So guys, please don't forget, please like, share my video, tag somebody. Tag all your friends who are Alice in Wonderland fans. And also tag all your friends who love the little cats, because he's like the best. He's cute. Look at that outfit. He's cute. Look at that smile. He is like so adorable, and he feels so good, guys. He's so soft. And I collect buddies. I do. I have all of the buddies. He's one of those collectible pieces that this is like a must-have. You got to have Cheshire Cat. This is a must-have. So not just kids, guys. A lot of my customers are adults, and they love to collect the Scentsy buddies because they are collectibles. And look, right there, you'll know that it's a Scentsy authentic product, because there it is right there. Scentsy right there on the foot. So if there's ever a doubt in your mind whether it's a Scentsy product or not, you can tell by the smell. That's one. You can tell by the smell, and you can look right here to see the little star on the back, and then you can also tell right there Scentsy is engraved right there. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining me. Just let me know how many you want, because these will sell out really soon. I just want to make sure you get yours before it's gone, okay? Take care, guys. Love you. Bye.